Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Twitter marketing we have reached the conclusion, the last part of the Twitter marketing campaign, the tutorial. Let us actually rewind and see what we have covered in this tutorial. First and foremost, some of the initial chapters that we have seen is the overview of Twitter marketing, what basically is Twitter, the kind of following, the kind of statistics that are available on Twitter, so on and so forth. And we have seen the introduction. In introduction, we have actually looked into what is Twitter, what is followers, what is following, and some of the key important elements of Twitter. And we have in terminology, we have seen the various kind of languages people use on Twitter. What is a tweet, what is a retweet, what is a hashtag, and what is actually the sentiment, the everything that is associated with the Twitter terminology. Twitter and other social media channels, a comparison, we have actually compared Twitter with Facebook, with LinkedIn and with Instagram. And what is the difference between these social media platforms and Twitter? A comparison. For business, what Twitter offers and how Twitter can be used to grow your business, grow your organization is something that we have seen in this. And in business branding, we have seen how business can be branded using Twitter as a platform, the key elements, the crucial elements, and of course the techniques that you can think of implementing. In personal branding, if you are an individual or a professional, how Twitter can be used for personal branding, whether you're a doctor or an engineer or a software professional or a lawyer, you can brand yourself as an individual, and those techniques are explained in personal branding. Then we have seen follow and followers. That is basically the concept of Twitter. What is follow, what is followers, how they work is something that we have seen in this video. Then moving on, what we have seen is creating a Twitter business account. We have seen a live demo how you can go about creating a Twitter business account. A live demo is something that we have seen in this. And in this optimizing Twitter business account, we have seen how you can optimize your business account on Twitter, like giving a banner image, giving a profile picture, adding a bio, the keywords, everything that is associated with optimizing your Twitter account. Then how to grow the followers, the Twitter followers. What are the techniques that you need to implement? What are the best practices that you need to implement to grow your followers is something that we have seen in that video. And we have also seen how to generate leads on Twitter, how the potential of Twitter can be leveraged to generate leads, and what are the techniques that you need to implement is something that we have seen in this video. And we have also seen Twitter advertising, that is the paid advertising of Twitter. What we have shown in this video is a step-by-step process of how you can create an ad on Twitter, a live demo. We also seen the best practices to implement. What are the best practices that you can think of implementing to leverage Twitter as a social media platform to grow your business? How to measure success on Twitter, both organically in terms of the growth of the followers, in terms of paid advertising by putting up a paid ad, how the success on Twitter can be measured. Then we have also seen the analytical part of it. What is Twitter analytics, what Twitter analytics offers, and how we can use Twitter analytics to improve the performance of your business account on Twitter. We have also seen some of the case studies, extremely important. What are the top case studies that we have right now and how they are actually growing their business using Twitter as a platform. How to become the best Twitter strategist. What are the roles, responsibilities, the experience, expertise, and the duties of a good marketing strategist, a good Twitter strategist is something that we have seen in that video. And we have also seen the best possible tools that you can use, leverage to improve your Twitter marketing strategy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.